Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm doing something a little different. This is mainly done out of anger. I have watched people prey on people's fears. I've seen the stores totally wiped out of sanitizers. So I went on the CDC's website and I learned how to make this stuff yourself. This we got at GNC. It's not cheap, but it's a natural blend, and this can be taken for aloe vera is good for everything from digestion to laxatives. It kills bacteria. It's an antioxidant, antibacterial. It works on burns. But this is unflavored, all natural, and this actually cost my husband $10. According to the CDC, you need a third cup of aloe vera gel and 2/3 cup of, now they asked for 99%, but 91 is the only thing that I had. You can't buy this stuff in the stores right now. It's sad. Dollar store has 50% alcohol. No, that's not going to do you any good. So I'm taking 1/3 of a cup of the aloe vera. And 2/3 cup of the alcohol. I couldn't believe when I saw on one of the news programs that I watch that there was a seller on Amazon that was selling a case of travel size sanitizer. I won't say the name brand, but they were selling it. And they were asking $400. This is going to cost you almost nothing. You can get aloe vera a lot cheaper. I know the Dollar Tree has it on occasion. I didn't even look for it because we got this stuff. But basically, that's your hand sanitizer right there. And all you need is some containers to put this in. Make sure your container has a tight-fitting lid. You can shake it up real well. And there it is. Of course, I'm going to label these. And I got these containers at the Dollar Tree a long time ago. I always have these on hand because I use them for everything from keeping alcohol in it to hand cream. And I even have a 50-50 water and vinegar mixed in some. But they're always in my craft room. But you can do this and put this in your purse. And it's just like the regular hand sanitizer. And if you, I mean, this is going to smell like alcohol. If you want to add some essential oils to it to give it some scent, that's fine. But because of the aloe vera, it's really good on the hands. Like I said, it has soothing properties for the skin. So, I still have some left over, which I'll be putting in another bottle, and it's going to separate a little bit because it doesn't have any extra additives in it. Just give it a shake before you need it. But like I said, it's that easy to make it. I know the name brand stuff is pretty much gone in all of the stores because everyone is panic buying. So, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.